How to withdraw money from TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from TikTok. So whether it's from Gift, the Creator Fund, or the TikTok rewards, this guide will explain how to get your TikTok earnings. So first, you need to go ahead and open your TikTok application on your mobile device, log into your account, and then after go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the three lines and there you will see the option of TikTok Studio. Go here and here you will see your earnings from gifts, live streams, or the Creator Fund. You need to have 10K followers on your TikTok account, and you also need to have the videos that are up to 1 minute. And after you meet all the eligibility criteria, you need to select the withdrawal method. You need to go ahead and view your collected amount first, and there you will see the option of withdraw method. Go ahead and tap on that. You can usually choose PayPal, bank transfer, or TikTok rewards. Keep in mind that some countries have different payout options based on TikTok's policies. So to withdraw your money, you will see the coins or balance displayed. Click on the estimated balance and it will take you to another page where you can withdraw your money. If you have earnings available, click on the specific earning and you will find the withdrawal option. And you can click on View Past Payouts to see your previous transactions. Now you'll need to set up the payment method and you'll be done. And the processing time will take up to 3 to 7 business days. And that's how you can withdraw money from TikTok in 2025. So if this guide was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.